All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Safemoon cryptocurrency, V2, what's going on with Safemoon, all kinds of good stuff going on. In the last 7 days, it's down slightly, about 5%, but in the last 24 hours, it's got a little small uptick, so it is up right now. We're going to go to an article, Should You Buy Safemoon? 3 pros and 3 cons of why you should or why you shouldn't. We're going to dig into that a little bit. We're going to go over to the website. Also check out if you want to buy some Safemoon, how you can buy Safemoon. We're going to go over that. And last but not least, we're going to do the top 10. So don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on the channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Safemoon and talk about V2. All right, Safemoon on CoinMarketCap is number 223 right now. If you take a look, it's down about 5% in the last 7 days, but in the last 24 hours, it's almost up 2%, 1.94. Now it is 2%, that quick. Okay, so it's down slightly, but up in the last 24 hours. Take a look over again to the right here. We got 5 zeros and a 1424. We'll do a little price prediction a little bit later in the video. So taking a look in the last 7 days, the coin has come down slightly a little bit. It has bounced back about 2% or 1.9% in the last 24 hours, but it's down 5%, so we got a negative about 3% in the last 7 days. So it's slightly down right this second. Over here at the Twitter account, this is kind of interesting. It says, if you're new around here, there's these 7 quick steps to become a part of the Safemoon journey. Here we go, everybody. Thought that was pretty cool. That is on the Twitter account. Definitely go back and watch it, but there's the 7 steps that you can do to go ahead and get Safemoon to buy some today. And also for the holiday season, we got right here, the holiday season, spread some festive love to the Safemoon army. There you go, everybody. All right, checking out this article. Should you buy Safemoon? 3 pros why you should do it and 3 cons. All right, number 1, cryptocurrency Safemoon has investors' attention. Cryptocurrency Safemoon has more than tripled in price in the past month. You heard that right, everybody, tripled. You know, Safemoon is a relatively new cryptocurrency. It was created in March of 2021. However, it immediately started making headlines upon the launch with huge run-ups in April. Safemoon was designed to encourage early investors not to sell. The design produced a loyal group of early investors. The first pro. With more than 13,000 cryptocurrencies out there, this new one popping up almost every single week, the most valuable part of Safemoon at this point is likely the branding. To stand out in the crowd, top-performing cryptocurrencies have generated a cult-like social media following, and this new brand has spread like wildfire online thanks to media, the viral since the launch early this year. Safemoon has regularly been traded on social media without a significant advantage over Bitcoin or Ethereum or other cryptocurrency. The long-term success in Safemoon has more relying on the strength of its brand. So number 1, pro is the brand. The second, the con here, and again, some people may like this, but it says, you know, like any other meme altcoin, one of the most dangerous things about investing in Safemoon is the extreme volatility and lack of liquidity. For investors looking into or a gambler high trading Safemoon, the potential for this crypto to crash as hard as it skyrockets may be a part of the thrill. I mean, so if you like the gambling experience, we're saying on the con. However, the fact that Safemoon charges a fee to discourage selling is not trading on the leading crypto exchanges such as Coinbase, Global. You know, so they do charge a fee to actually be able to sell your crypto. So the chances that somebody gets in and they sell it real quick, again, there's a fee there. Pro, you know, passive income. You know, this is the number 2 pro. Safemoon was designed to incentivize long-term investing. and punishing selling. An investor who sells is charged a painful 10% fee. Half of that fee is added back to the liquidity pool to support the price of the stability. The other half is distributed to Safemoon's existing holders. This lets Safemoon investors generate passive income every time another investor sells. During the period of the weakness and selling pressure picks up, Safemoon investors generated even more passive income as a reward for holding. These fees may not offset the decline in Safemoon price during the stretches, but they can help compound the return in the price when it recovers. So there's a pro there. 10% fee, and it does come back. But, half of it here and half of it there, pretty good there, everybody. The second con, no utility. There's no major vendor accepting Safemoon as payment method, not right this second. And it's even difficult to trade it for fiat currencies and other crypto, given Safemoon doesn't trade on a major centralized crypto exchange. Safemoon doesn't have the technology advances over other cryptos in transaction speed, security, other features. Safemoon recently launched its own digital wallet. So this is kind of cool. It does have its own wallet, ISO platform. Developers also have the ambition, the future plans, including exchanges such as Safemoon app, Safemoon video games, and a Project Phoenix. Unfortunately, until investors get more details on these goals, Safemoon as a current state has little or no real world utility. So right now that could be a con. So again, the reason we're bringing you this video is we're trying to bring value on the pros and the cons. So again, we're bringing you the pros and the cons, so you can honestly think of, is this a pro or a con? Is this a good idea to get Safemoon V2, or is it not a good idea? Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Again, we just want everybody to learn about cryptocurrency so they can actually make good decisions on cryptocurrency. Another pro here. We got a pro here, Dave Portnoy, and other high-profile influencers are actually getting into Safemoon. Endorsing the high-profile online influencer, one of the biggest things Safemoon has going for us. Barstool Sports founder Dave Portnoy announced a $40,000 investment in Safemoon back in May. There's the pro there, that you got influencers that are actually getting into Safemoon. One of the cons is a centralized ownership. Even Bitcoin has been accused by critics of being a Ponzi scheme, but the centralized ownership of Safemoon has skeptics particularly concerned. Safemoon CEO reported owns more than 50% of the coin's liquidity. Safemoon insiders are generating a tremendous amount of passive income. Some critics also see parallels between Safemoon and BitConnect. Notorious cryptocurrency collapse, and it was a fraud. There's no evidence that Safemoon is outright fraud, but analysts have warned that many popular altcoins disappear, designed largely to help developers and early investors get rich at the expense of later buyers. So that could be a con, everybody. So to recap here, the pros and cons of buying Safemoon. Pros, valuable meme crypto brand. Con, liquidity and volatility. Pro, passive income. That's kind of big for people. Con, no utility right now. Pro, we got high influencers and high profile people buying the token. Con, centralized ownership. So give us your thoughts in the bottom. What do you think of the pros and cons of Safemoon V2? All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Again, this token is down about 6% in the last 7 days. Now, what is our price prediction? There's 5 zeros, and it's 14.21. I'm thinking with everything that's going on right now with the V2, not the V1, but the V2, I'm thinking this coin could go to 5 zeros and 3000. Now, again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Let's head over to the website real quick. Okay, again, over here at the website, Safemoon, the fastest growing crypto community on earth. Consolidate the V2 Safemoon or just buy your V2 today. The Safemoon protocol is a community-focused, fair launch DeFi token. 3 simple functions occur in each trade: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. The Safemoon Exchange is a revolutionary new idea that will bring tokenomics to all the cryptos on the platform. We call it cryptonomics. Checking out the swap here at the top. So this is how easy it is to basically do it. Let's say we wanted to go ahead and put 1,000 in there, and we would convert that to Safemoon. We understand. And right there, 1,000 BNB, it's going to tell you how much Safemoon you're going to have. If I wanted to put 10,000 BNB, I click it, and there's your Safemoon right there. The Safemoon Exchange is a revolutionary new idea that will bring tokenomics to all the crypto platforms. And back over here at the top 10 here. To recap this real quick, Polkadot is up 26% in the last 7 days. Take a look, Luna's right there, 26 up in the last 7 days. XRP is up 2% in the last 7 days. Everything is green right now. Cardano is up 18% in the last 7 days. Solana is up 11% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is up about 3% in the last 7 days. Ethereum is about 3% in the last 7 days. And Bitcoin is up 8% in the last 7 days. All right, there's a little pros and cons of Safemoon V2. Give us your thoughts in the bottom of what you think. Thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we're bringing a video every single day at noon. And bonus videos are at 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock if we do bonus videos. Hey, everybody, click right here to see our most recent video. V2, Safemoon, 3 pros, 3 cons. Give us your thoughts on what you think about that. Hey, everybody, have a fantastic day today.